What's going on, good people? What I'm going to need to do tonight is wait for a couple of people to pop on to tell me what my background sounds like. I have a dishwasher that sounds like it is on the brink of falling apart, and I'm trying to find out whether or not you guys can hear it, being as though I have my headset on. So once I have that clarity, I'll know whether or not I need to go dismantle it or whether or not we can keep rocking and rolling with some information that I am going to share with you on tonight. So let's see if I can find a quick image of me to place up here on the screen so you guys can know who you're listening to. Hey, that's me. Right now, remember when you utilize the live feature here on Facebook, it does not allow you to share your screen at the same time, and I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys this information. So please let me know if you can hear this dishwasher that's literally on its last leg trying to fall apart. And if you can hear this video, I think I'm going to try and play something here on the screen so you guys can let me know if you can hear it through my microphone or if I need to take my headset off altogether. So let me see here. Let me pull up a different quick video. Let me make this one run. Hold on one second. Now let me open this one up full screen, and you guys let me know whether or not you can hear this one playing. This has nothing to do with the information that I'm going to discuss tonight. I'm actually just running a quick demo to see what you guys can hear and what you cannot. So I'm going to press play. I can hear it in my headset, but you guys let me know whether or not you can hear it on your end. So can you guys hear that, or is it just the screen moving itself? Because I have my headset on and I hear it playing in my ears, but is it just the screen moving for you guys, or do you actually hear the music playing on the video? Brandmaster, that's right. So I'm giving you guys an opportunity to type a response so I'll know if I need to take my headset off and let it play through my speakers. Do you just hear me talking, or do you actually hear the music that is playing? Okay, the screen is moving. All right, so let me press pause on that. Thank you so much, Miss Sheila. Let me bring that back down. Give me just one hot sec to go stop this ailing sick dishwasher, and I'll be right back. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, so you guys probably hear my volume change. Let me know whether or not you can hear me talking now, and I will just deal with the racket I have going on here in the background. Can you hear me now, Miss Sheila? I'm speaking here over this thing, and I'm going to try the video again, and you let me know how the sound is. She was about to start her dishwasher. Okay, so my guess is that you can hear that music playing. I saw some thumbs up go up as soon as I started playing, so I'm guessing that you guys can hear the music playing. The reason I'm asking that is because I'm getting ready to start this private reserve account video that I want you guys to watch. It's only 2 minutes long. You all have 2 minutes to learn about private reserve banking, the way that you can literally borrow from yourself and pay yourself back. Right, so I want to make sure that I play this information so you can get it and understand. Maybe you want to learn with me about this information, but since I've been so rude to start this without introducing myself, let me press pause for a moment. My name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I am a brand master. I'm a cash flow queen. I'm an income strategist. I am an instant pay raise educator. I just really love educating people on things that I learned every single day. And I have been learning so much in the past, 4 to 6 years about finances and how to help people learn how to start their home-based business on the right foot with the right setup, literally how to get on here and market on social media, as well as how to make financial moves that literally will benefit generations to come. I am a youth lifestyle founder, youthlifestyletraining.com founder. I have little youth lifestyle trainees that work with me in my home-based business, and I do not pay them an allowance. I pay them an actual income. They actually earn a paycheck, and I am available to write it off on my taxes. We write off some amazing things that everyday people who do not have a home-based business are not eligible to write off. And so that is something that I educate on as well. So that's just giving you a little background of who I am, just giving you a quick tidbit about a lot of the gifts and talents that I possess. And one of the most recent things that I have learned about is called a private reserve account. And I want to play this quick 2-minute video so you guys can hear this information and understand how the everyday challenges that we face. And even though in the last couple of nights I've given you some solutions, there are some objectives that you're trying to meet in your life. And I needed you to hear this information about a private reserve bank. So I'm going to press play. If you have any questions, we'll see if I can get them answered. And because I'm learning with you, I may not be able to answer them, but I can definitely get you over to the right people. But I wanted you to hear this information and allow it to pique your interest. Here we go.
Old, broke. Well, that's not good. Seriously, though, this is where millions and millions of people are headed if something doesn't change now. And that's why we created the private reserve account, a simple way for mainstream Americans to secure their retirement, protect their loved ones, and fund their dreams along the way. Here's how it works. Imagine creating your own banking alternative, and not just some ordinary bank, but the ultimate bank. Think about that for a minute. If it's your bank, what benefits would you give yourself? It would be a bank where your savings account actually grows by being linked to stock market gains, so you can benefit from those big rallies. And as your money grows, the gains are locked in, so no more of those scary drops. That's a win-win. You'd be able to access the growing value of your account anytime you want for any reason you have. No taxes, no qualifications, no questions asked. After all, it's your money. Oh, did we mention no taxes? And since it is your bank, you'd be earning the interest on the money you borrow from yourself while you pay yourself back. What? Let's keep going. You would have no early withdrawal penalties, unlimited contributions, and a college planning fund with no restrictions. When properly structured, your bank could pay off your mortgage in half the time, could provide living benefits for critical and terminal illness. And if something ever happened to you, your ultimate bank would be transferable to your heirs tax-free. Seems impossible, right? Nope. You just didn't know that the wealthy have been doing this for years. Now you're wondering, so why doesn't everyone open a private reserve account? Exactly. The real question is, why don't you? Contact your financial representative today to set up your private reserve account and help put a stop to America's retirement crisis. We're with you all the way.
Oh. Huge, right? Like mind-blowing, like blowing the top off of your head, right? So again, this is some of the information that I am being exposed to daily. And because this information is like mind-blowing for me, I wanted to take the opportunity to share that with you, to pique your interest, to, be able to answer how you can get access to this and more. So if you have not had the opportunity, let me pull up that screen and let me show you the last couple of nights. Again, I have been here live on my timeline. Tonight we're live on my timeline, so you would be able to scroll down and see some of the others. Here's where I just did a watch party from the number 4 in the entire country, tax professional, Mr. Terrence A. Hawkins, enrolled agent with the IRS, did a presentation for us. Definitely go to the timeline and watch that. Previous to that, I let you guys know the 4, 3, 2, 1 countdown to financial freedom from industry leader Brian Bean. He did a presentation here, and you can watch that on my YouTube channel. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please definitely come over to bit.ly #follow, can't spell, follow Martina on YouTube. that will bring you directly over here to my YouTube channel, and you can definitely select the bell that will show up for you. It'll be a red button over here that says subscribe. Select to subscribe, and definitely select the bell so that you can see instant notifications pop up here in the right hand corner instantly when new videos are uploaded. So continuing down my timeline, I was live giving 4 challenges, 3 solutions, and 2 objectives on last night, a little bit after 10 o'clock. Definitely go and check that out. Did the same thing here again a night or 2 before that, where I actually walked you through 4 challenges and 3 solutions. And then on Sunday night, I did the same thing here on Sunday night. Look at Mr. Townsend. Here I was live telling you some information from our 2020 Team No Limit Boot Camp. This was day 1 of my 10-day homework, giving you this information. So definitely scroll my timeline, get this information. But tonight I kind of wanted to switch it up just a little bit, and I wanted to take the opportunity to show you this private reserve account information. Definitely get with me if you want to know more about that. We have a membership that will give you access to experts that can answer every single question you could possibly ask about this. I am not the expert. I am not a financial advisor, but as I continue to learn, I definitely share that information, because many people will learn the rules of the wealthy and then in turn become wealthy themselves, and they will not turn around and reach back and help the community. That is not my goal. That is not my heart, my personality, or my character. So I want to make sure, even as I'm learning it, I take the opportunity to share it with you guys. So like I said, it was going to be a very short night tonight, that I wanted to scroll my timeline and show you where I've given you 4 challenges, 3 solutions, 2 objectives. And I've talked about the one amazing company, the Make Wealth Real movement with MWR Financial, to show you guys literally how you can pull your own self up by your bootstraps and pull yourself out of the financial situation that you and your mindset has shifted you in, and how I can show you how to shift yourself out of that. So definitely leave me a comment, hit me in my messenger, and thank you to all of you who do hit me in my messenger and ask me questions. I have absolutely no problem with it. I love to answer those questions. I love to give knowledge, and if you don't know, I love to educate you. So if you want to find out more information about me, who I am, and how you can get in contact with me, I love to educate you, hence toeducateyou.com, to the numeric 2, educate you, the alpha u.com. You can also go to toeducateyou spelled completely out, and you'll still end up here on my promo page. So again, my name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I hope that I have been able to give you some information of value on tonight. This is night, I think I'm at number 4 of 10. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow night after 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't always have the opportunity to hop right on at 10. Tonight I was finishing up the call with Mr. Hawkins, so I was unavailable to hop on immediately, but here we are. So I hope to hear from you, and I hope to see you tomorrow night after 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good night.